Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yezbak Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my cosmic earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are wire cutters, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers. We will be using metal beads that were just added to the website. We have gold tone cut rectangles and a gold tone cut rondelle. We will also be using faceted glass round, dark sapphire luster, 10 millimeter, and a North Star gold tone charm. You will also need a gold tone ear wire and 24 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search cosmic earrings. We are going to start off by cutting a 12-inch length of 24 gauge wire. If you know me, I always cut my wire a little longer because I think it makes my wraps look better. So we are going to grab our charm, our North Star charm, and we are going to string one faceted luster dark sapphire bead onto each side of the wire. Okay, next I'm going to grab my preloaded little beads and we're going to string 2 of the rectangles, 1 of the cut rondelles, and then 5 of the rectangles. And we're going to do that on each side. I'm going to go ahead and do it now on the other side in order to save time. I just strung my beads on the other side of the wire. And now we're going to bring these wires together. And we're going to grab our faceted glass round, dark sapphire luster, and we are going to move that bead all the way down. And then I'm just kind of squishing it up a little bit. We can kind of adjust the shape. Our next step is to form a wrapped loop at the top. This will tighten everything down. We're going to have our loop facing this way since our ear wire is facing this way. And we are going to wrap with both wires. So we're going to place our round nose pliers there, making sure it's nice and tight. And we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, and bend the wire back. And then we're going to switch hands, and we're going to use our fingers to wrap because we're moving the wire down. So we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Our next step is to bring the wire down, and I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to hold that wire right there. And we're going to come around the back, and we're going to wrap 1 time around the back. We're going to flip it over to the other side. And we're going to trim off those little ends. And then we're using our chain nose pliers to tuck those wires down so there are no sharp edges. And then I'm just going to come in and straighten out my loop. Our last step is to attach our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. You never pull it apart. So we're going to pick up our earring and we're going to attach it and then close our ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my cosmic earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspiring DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.